Hello everybody, welcome. I am the old food guy. Now when I went up the shop yesterday to get myself a Sunday roast, because obviously in the UK you gotta have a Sunday roast on a Sunday. It's against the law if you don't. Only joking. But you gotta have a Sunday roast on a Sunday. That's in the oven cooking. So while that's cooking, I saw these up the shop in the freezer aisle. Let me show you what it is. Right, there we go. 2 pancakes with bacon. For that one. They're quite expensive. There was £1.99p for that. For 2, so that's quite expensive, that is. Same as them, £1.99. 2 Belgian waffles with chocolate sauce. Quite simple to make. I've looked at the instructions. Basically, go in the microwave, 40 seconds. Put a sachet into a bowl of warm water and stick them in the microwave. They look nice, but they say £1.99p. I mean, they've got different numbers on. Number 14, so I don't know whether they do all, but these are the only 2 they had. I don't know whether they do all different numbers or what. Number 14, number 2. But I've seen them up there and I thought I'd try them. Snacksters they are. So let's open one up. Start with the Belgian one first. There it is. I mean, they look nice, to be fair. There's the Belgian. There was in the frozen section, so they are frozen. And obviously there's the milk chocolate sauce. That's that one. Not get them mixed up. And the bacon one. I mean 40 seconds. That's all. Oh no, 1 minute the bacon one. 1 minute for bacon. Mind you, I suppose it's already pre-cooked and it's just been refrozen. And there's that one. There's the waffle. Not the waffle, the pancake. Pancakes. Frozen. There's the maple sauce. And 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of bacon. Well, you've got a bit of bacon in there. Four little, only little though. Right, let's get them cooking and see what they taste like. Right, first things first, I'll get the sauce. I might as well put both sauces in there, into a bowl of water. Put them in. And then we'll get the waffles open. I mean, they're quite thick. They are thick. Look how thick they are. And get the next one. I mean 40 seconds, doesn't seem very long, does it? Side by side, 40 seconds. So I'll stick them ones in the microwave. Right, they're done. They smell lovely. Yeah, 40 seconds and they're all soft, all done. Put them to one side and I'll get the other ones in. They smell really nice, they do. Right, what's the bacon ones? Sachet in water, done that. Place bacon next to the pancakes. So, pancakes like that. And bacon at the side. This one's 1 minute. Tell you what, them Belgian one smells lovely. There's them ones. Let's get them in for 1 minute. Right, the bacon ones are done. There's the bacon ones. Smells like bacon. When it says crispy, I mean, I suppose they are a little bit, but they're a bit, so there's a bit of juice in them. So what I'll do, we'll get them all together, we'll get the sauce on, and we'll give them a taste. Right, I've set them all up. Can you hear my oven in the background? Let's get the sauces on. Let's get the chocolate one on first. Yeah, it's all defrosted. Let's get that cut open. It's going to go everywhere this, I can see it coming. I do apologise about the oven, got me roasting. Oh, looking nice. Okay, there's that one. Now we get the maple syrup on the other one. Looking nice, look at them. They're gorgeous. Right, let's give them a taste test. Right, there we go then. Bacon maple syrup, pancakes, Belgian chocolate waffle. So $1.99 each. So they are quite expensive, but let's give them a taste test. Right, I've cut them up. We'll have a go with the Belgian waffle first because it's done first. Look nice though. Look very nice. Oh, they're very thick. That is gorgeous. That's stunning. You wouldn't need many of them, I tell you. They're really thick. Wow. Wow. Well, let's try the other one. I should have had a drink ready first, shouldn't I? But let's see if we can get some bacon on it. Pick it up. There's that one. No, drop in. Try again. Oh wow, that's nice. The bacon's smoky. Not very crispy though. That's nice. That is really nice. I am the old food guy. Pancakes, waffles, Aldi, £2. Well, $1.99. Bit expensive. But I suppose you take them to work, put them in your microwave or something. Job's a good one. So give us a like, give us a subscribe. Let me know if there's anything you want me to try. Till the next time, see you later. Bye bye. Try that Belgian waffle one more time. Gorgeous. Gorgeous Belgian waffle. That's stunning. That is absolutely stunning. Thank you. Bye bye.